In today's competitive manufacturing landscape, industrial automation has emerged as a transformative solution to address various production challenges. Here are a few of those challenges and how automation can effectively overcome them and improve business operations. Increased productivity. By reducing manual labor and eliminating bottlenecks, automation optimizes workflow with around-the-clock production. Product changes can also be reprogrammed without upskilling and retraining. Quality assurance. Gained by employing precision-controlled processes, reducing human error, and ensuring consistent quality standards. Automated inspections and testing equipment can detect defects or deviations more accurately. Cost reduction. Industrial automation streamlines operations, enhances energy efficiency, and enables predictive maintenance. Workplace safety. Robots and automated systems can handle physically demanding or dangerous operations, while safety protocols and monitoring systems are integrated to maintain a secure production environment. Scalability and flexibility. Automation lines can easily be reconfigured or reprogrammed to handle new products or process changes. Data analytics and insights. By analyzing real-time production data, manufacturers gain valuable insights into performance metrics, operational bottlenecks, and areas for optimization. By harnessing the transformative capabilities of automation, manufacturers can unlock new opportunities and propel their businesses forward. Eclipse Automation will get you there. For a deeper dive into production challenges, please read our blog at eclipseautomation.com.